Hey, welcome to Cracked Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and today I'm going to show you how I made these super crispy Vortex wings on the Weber. Hey guys, don't forget, we're doing a Vortex giveaway March 2nd through April 6th. Every Saturday, I'll pick a new winner. It'll be in that week's video. Just comment hashtag Vortex, and that's all you have to do to enter. You gotta be a US citizen. All the rules are in the description. Fill this full of charcoal. Once it ashes over, creates a lot of convection. Air rushes in the bottom, shoots out the top, super heated, hits the lid, radiates over the chicken wings or whatever you're cooking. Makes for a super crispy wing. There's a lot of different ways you can use this. So we're gonna take these chicken wings, we're gonna salt them, put them in the fridge overnight. That'll help dry the skin out, make a super crispy wing. This is the easiest way I found to light the Vortex for me. Fill it. I always put a little bit more than what it'll take because it's going to ash up. Now I'll take the whole grate out. Now I'll put one or two of my tumbleweeds in here. Light those. Then I'll take the basket, throw it up over the top, let it go for about 30 minutes until it's all ashed over. So now we can get our wings. They were in the fridge overnight. You can see the salt in the fridge did its magic. The skin is nice and dry. Now they're in a bowl. I take avocado oil. You can use any high temp oil. Duck fat would work excellent. And then I just toss them in the oil. That will also help crisp up the skin. Give it a nice toss. So I like to start out with a cold grate. So I'll take either parchment paper, aluminum foil, butcher paper. Here in New York, we're not allowed to have plastic bags at our grocery stores, so we end up with all these brown paper bags. I'll place my chicken wings right here on the grate in the house and just carry it out there. I like doing it this way. I think it works better. Now we'll go check to make sure the grill is ready, and we'll throw these on. Now our charcoal is ashed over. We'll place our wings on. I put a piece of cherry wood in the center. And we'll place our lid on. Now we'll rotate the lid every 15 minutes to move the vent around the grill. Let this go for about an hour. I mean, look at that gauge. That was not sped up. That Vortex puts out some heat. All right, I rotated it once already. We'll take a quick look and then we'll rotate it to here. They look pretty good. Well, after an hour, these should be done. I took the block of wood off because they were getting dark. Place these in our bowl, then we'll bring them inside and season them. These are nice and crispy. I'm going to sprinkle some SPG on them. Not a lot, just a little bit. So I pulled half the wings out. The other half we're going to use this hot, crispy oil. It's got a nice flavor to it. Now we'll plate this and get our ranch ready. So let's make a ranch. Take 1 cup of mayo, some sour cream, buttermilk, seasonings, salt and pepper. There you have it, homemade ranch. Well, now we can try it. It's crispy, it doesn't have all the oil in it. It's really nice. You can eat a ton of these. Some of our homemade ranch. That's so good. Now we can try our wings. We season with the hot crispy oil. It's really, really good. It's got shallot and garlic, hot pepper. So it's got a little heat to it, I'm not gonna lie. It's really good though. There's a lot of flavor with the shallot and the garlic. I really recommend you guys trying some. You put it on everything. A little bit of our ranch. Hey, that's it. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We've got more videos coming out every week. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Threads, of course YouTube. Go to crackscountrycooking.com. We got seasonings, recipes, vortexes. We got barbecue gloves with the liners, all sorts of stuff on there. Don't forget, hashtag Vortex. Enter to win one of these. All right, see ya. Dinner time. So crispy.